Hey everybody, how's it going? Scott Hopper here. It's a brisk day in Kentucky. It's about 22 degrees with a real feel of 14. I'm doing this video in my backyard just because I just got finished walking my dogs, and any old rate, they're little chihuahuas. And yes, I do drive an old truck. I love my old truck. It's very reliable, very dependable, and very paid for. And so is my other vehicle. It's very reliable, very dependable, and very paid for. And so is my other vehicle. It's also very reliable, very dependable, and very much paid for. So, at any rate, I thought I'd shoot this quick video because a lot of people have been asking me, is all that we do text messaging and emailing? No, that's not what all we do at Digital Processors Incorporated. We actually have expanded our workforce to a data entry division where people get paid by filling out and sending forms to a list of clients that we provide to them. And we also expanded a coloring division because we got a lot of feedback from the stay-at-home mom community who said that there was a program out there. I won't mention the name of it, but they said that there was a program out there that paid you to color. But what they were complaining about was that the pay scale was awful on it. It was terrible. And so our research and development department went ahead and purchased one of these systems, and we looked at it, we examined it, we tore it apart, we rebuilt it from the ground up, and basically we made it work. I mean, I don't know any other way to put it other than that. Yeah, this is my sorry guys, this is my chicken coop that came with my house. Also, I don't have any chickens yet, but I've got, as you can see, I've got a chicken coop. It's full of crap that the previous owners left here. Yeah, I bought a really old house. It's built in 1929. But anyway, about this coloring division, it's crazy. It's absolutely nuts. I'm going to leave the links to all three divisions at the bottom of this video. So anybody that wants information on what it is that we do at DPS, whether it be texting and emailing, whether it be completing out data entry forms to get paid, or whether if you would like to learn how you can get paid to color, then I'm going to give you the links and you're going to be able to find out exactly how to do that stuff. But I'm sorry guys, it's brisk out here. I'm not going to lie. I'm probably going to cut this video a little bit short today. But yeah, that's really the meat and potatoes of it. We didn't like how that program looked. We felt that people weren't getting their money's worth at all out of it. As a matter of fact, sorry, camera got a little bit shaky on me. As a matter of fact, we didn't care anything about the program whatsoever. So what we decided to do, once again, is we broke it down, we rebuilt it, we made it to where you, the individual, can make money. And oh my God, it's so simple. All you do is you color pictures, you share those pictures with somebody, and when you share them with somebody, you get paid. It's just that simple. Very simple. So coloring for cash, we've got data entry positions, and we can text for cash. My company is always on the go. We're innovators. We're always looking for new ways to make our members money, make our members the most money possible. I am personally in charge of basically riding the research and development department's butt. That's kind of what I do, and I'm pretty good at it. And till the next video, like I said, I am going to leave all three of these links at the bottom of this video, so anybody out there that wants information on any of this stuff, That's all you got to do. I'm going to put them in a row, just like this. I'm going to put the texting first. I'm going to put the data entry second. Then I'm going to put the coloring for cash on the bottom. Till next time, guys, I'm going inside where it's warm. I do want to give you guys a little update. I want to do some more stuff with my channel besides just business. So I think what I'm going to start doing is I'm just getting all my gear together right now. I'm going to start doing some more outdoor stuff. I miss doing the outdoor stuff. It's been a long time since I've done it, and I'm going to be taking you guys camping with me in the cold weather, just like this. We're going to be sleeping out. We're going to be cooking steaks. We're going to be having a good time. So I got to take this glove off, stop the camera. So till next time, folks, peace, love, and chicken grease. I'm out.